Can you make a living with editing without chasing small projects every week? Quick answer, yes. Longer answer, only if you stop acting like a freelancer, taking random gigs, and start building a simple client system. By the end of this video, you'll have a plug and play system so you can focus on filling your calendar. And as a bonus, I'll show you a tool to onboard clients in minutes, not hours. This video is also a kickoff of a 3-part sprint built for editors at any stage, from zero to your first client, from there to smarter systems, better results, and higher rates. And each week we'll stack on the last, and the goal isn't not to work harder but smarter. And working smarter starts with one single thing which most editors also overlook, and it's mindset. There's a Malay saying, "A tree with strong roots laughs at storms." For editors, roots are in quotes on a wall. They're rules and standards you actually follow. For starter, as an editor, you need to act your way into clarity. I just see that most editors wait to feel ready, and I get it, I also had it. There's so much information online, there's a lot of tutorials, a lot of courses, but all that information just leads to analysis paralysis, where beginner editors procrastinate because they don't feel ready. Pros act first, and then the clarity shows up. One tiny move a day beats one giant plan you will never start. And even you watching this video is part of that paralysis. So I'm gonna challenge you, take action this week. Pick 15 minutes, non-negotiable, send 3 pitches, cut a 20-second sample, post 1 proof clip, and repeat this daily. It's through action like this, you'll get a better understanding who you want to work with and why. And trust me, I've been there, unsure if I was ready to charge real money, which brings me to the next point: borrow belief until results catch up. Because confidence comes after reps and not before. I've noticed this really when I go to the gym. The first time I went to the gym, I was really not confident, even though I looked up a lot of videos. But by going to the gym every time, I got more confidence. And this is because your brain needs proof, not promises. So what you can do is you can act like the kind of editor who already lands clients, because your work solves a real problem. Do that for a week and let the feedback update your belief. And if you're not sure how to act, start your day by saying, "My service helps creators ship more content with less stress." Some will say yes if I ask clearly. It's beliefs like these that will steer the boat into the right direction. Speaking of direction, direct your character. You need to get out of that NPC mindset and think of you as a character you can control. The character wants to scroll, and the director says, "Drop the clip, send the proposal, close the laptop." Give clear orders and follow them. Now let's be honest, this isn't something that happens overnight, which sets up for the next frame: respect the lag. What I've noticed is that good action a lot of times feels boring before it pays off. So you need to keep going long enough to let compounding happen. Don't switch playbooks every 48 hours. Remind yourself that you're winning even if the dopamine is late. And please just give it some time. Last up, specialize to get paid. If you got all the things that I mentioned before in check, you can focus on your service. Because here's the truth, generalists get pushed around by scope. Specialists set the terms. Choose one lane for the next 30 days and make everything point there. It's as simple as I help who get result with format. So for example, I help founders post daily shorts with a weekly batch of short form edits. Or I help creators turn vlogs into tight 6-minute stories. Because when you know exactly who you can help, what you deliver, and how it looks, everything will get easier. Clients will find you fast, and your edits will get judged on outcomes, not hours. Which sets up the next piece I want to talk about: the client machine baseline. This is a simple baseline we'll build over the next 4 weeks. One service, for example, short form package for founders or weekly vlog edit for creators. One target, a narrow group you can actually message this week, and one clear path to results. So day 1 setup, what you deliver, how fast feedback happens, and what win means. I know this probably sounds boring, but it's boring on purpose, because boring skills and chaos, trust me, I've tried it, it doesn't. Work tools to win. And you don't need a massive stack of software when handling clients. In fact, you just need a few simple tools to remove the friction. A clean offer or portfolio page, and you can even use an Instagram for this. A short intake form for goals, assets, brand notes, deadlines. Email templates to confirm, set expectations, and of course collect files. Simple invoicing to track what's paid and what's due. And lastly, a check-in rhythm for updates. Now you can have all of these tools separate, but I've got something better. Because operations, communication, and onboarding is what most editors waste a lot of time on. If you're switching between 5 apps to book calls, send welcome emails, chase feedback, and remember follow-ups, stops, that chaos taxes your creative brain, then you'll love System.io. System.io is basically an all-in-one platform for creators and freelancers. I started using it and you can easily build landing or portfolio pages, manage clients, send emails, and automate workflows without the hassle of switching between tools. So when a client signs, automations fire, a welcome email, project questionnaire, and timed check-ins. And because it also replaces a lot of pricey tools, it's still simple and affordable, even when you scale from your first clients to a full-blown agency. It's not just me who likes it, because it has a 4.9 out of 5 on Trustpilot, which also says a lot about their reliability and support. So if you want your backend to run as clean as your edits, try System.io. Links in the description and the pinned comment, and of course a big shout out to System.io for sponsoring this video. Now it's tools like these that make everything run smoother, and you're gonna need them, because here's what we're gonna build in the next episode. You've got the mindset and systems in place, it's time to move into the fun part, actually creating. So next week we'll focus on the ideation, editing, and delivery, basically everything that turns your ideas into results. You'll learn how to come up with strong concepts that stand out and how to shape them into stories people actually want to watch. Then we'll take all these ideas into the edit, organizing your workflow, managing feedback without chaos, and delivering projects clients really love. So you'll walk away with a repeatable framework to generate new videos, a simple editing workflow that keeps projects organized, and a revision and delivery system that makes you look really professional. And I know a lot of people struggle with like the business side, but this is really where your creative side meets the business side. So your clients can also stop seeing you as just another editor and seeing you more as a creative partner. Week 3, getting clients and pricing. Then in the final episode, we'll go into the part that everyone wants to know, how to get clients and how to price yourself. I'll show you how to land projects consistently without spamming and how to set rates that reflect your real value. You'll learn how to structure retainers, project pricing, and upsells so you stop trading hours for edits. Also go over how to build a simple outreach system that compounds over time, which will also turn cold messages into real conversations and then conversations into long-term clients. So by the end of that episode, you'll know exactly how to price your service with confidence, position yourself as the obvious choice, and build a client base that keeps coming back. So subscribe and turn on the notifications so you don't miss a single episode. Also drop in the comments your lane that you're gonna choose with the template I help Woo get result with format. I will pick a few and put them on screen in the next episode. Because like I've told you already a few times, you've got two choices. Watch others succeed or join them. The choice is yours.